Okay. Hello and very good night to everybody. And today I'm very much excited about journey of software engineer. And today we can see that we're running our live chat and we're so much excited about engineering journey. Let me explain what it is to be software engineer. Software engineer is an engineering based approach to software development. Software engineer is a engineering based approach to software development. Like we made softwares in the field. And whenever we are making softwares in field and we are approaching the softwares in the field, a software engineer is a person who applies the engineering design process to design, develop, maintain, test, and evaluate control software. The basically job of software engineer is that a person who applies one person is there who applies the engineering design process and develop maintain test and educate it evaluate computer software. The term programming is sometimes used to synonymous but may emphasize it. Okay, when we want to become software engineer but we don't know what is the really cycle of a software engineer. Let's me explore cycle of computer science, engineer, software engineer. Life cycle of software engineer. Let me explore this point also because it is very important if you know the cycle of software engineer you can maintain softwares because first place of a software engineering is that planning and requirement analysis. When any project is come with us we need to first plan the project because without planning in any field we in engineering any field without planning nothing is going to happen everybody can know it because planning is most important part of engineering life when you can plan it. Requirement analysis is the most important and necessary stage in a SDLC. The senior member of team perform it with input from all stakeholder and domain expert in SME in industry. Planning for quality assurance requirement and identification of risk associated with the project. It's also done at this stage. Business analysis and project analysis are set of meeting. Organize set up meeting with the client together. Planning for a quality assurance required and identification of risk associated with the project is also done at stage. Business analyst and project organizer set up meeting with the client to gather all data like what the customer want to build, who will the end user, what is the objective of product. Before creating product, a core understanding or knowledge of the product is very necessary. For example, a client want to be have a application which contain the money transaction. In this method, the requirement has predict precises like what kind of operation will be done, how it will be done, it which currency it will be done. It's once requirement function is done, analysis is completed with auditing the feasibility of the growth of product. In case of any ambiguity, a signal is set off and further discussion. Once the requirement is understood, the SR software requirement specification is done. The document is created of software requirement development. Let's see how was the software requirement development type. Let me type here software requirement document. Sorry, specification. Example. How can we create software requirement specification? Let's see it. I am also searching Brave